Hey, what's going on YouTube? David calling back for another video of GT Box GT Aviation. In this video, I'm going to be filming some of the various military aircraft from F-35s to F-16s that have been flying over the area since this afternoon. So, I'm going to try to get some more aircraft for you. Hope you enjoy. Oh man, that's awesome. Oh man, that's awesome. I got it. Well, everyone, that's going to do it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment what you thought of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please also let me know. Thank you so much for watching another episode of GT Box GT Aviation. Peace out, y'all.